Hello, welcome back to the channel. It is a brand new day. We're here again with our 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition with remote start. Last time we were working on getting these body panels, trying to save them, and we're really fighting with this trunk. This thing was a little bit rough, but you know what? We got it going our way. We're going to do our best to jump on this trunk this evening, see if we can't get that finished on up, get our bumper slapped back on there, see how everything fits. And then we got a fender in, and man, that thing was so nice. Except the guy from FedEx, I think he jumped on it with both feet and stomped on it and bent it all up. So we're probably gonna have to do a little body work on our brand new fender. But you know what? That's okay. That is all right, because we're gonna jump on this thing. We're gonna get this stuff done. And I got JP here with me today. He's gonna work on it. We're gonna give it all we got, and let's get to it. Look at this. Look at them gaps, man. Look at this big aftermarket fender they jumped on with both feet. Got a big dent right there, big crease right there. Oh, it's so nice. We're gonna fix that up. We're gonna fix that up. It's looking real good. This gap's a little bit wide too, but it ain't no big deal. Man, this thing coming together. I mean, this car is nice. I mean, look at that. Look at that brand new aftermarket fender on there. Man, me and JP, we just bent them stands. We got that thing out, you know, from where they stomped on it. We got it all fixed up. We got it temporaried up on the car. We are gonna have to get a little body filler, but we knew that when we ordered aftermarket stuff. That's the way it usually comes in. But you know what? That ain't no big deal, because we're gonna jump on this and we're gonna get it fixed up right now. Gotta get us a little clip right there. We are getting ready to put some primer on this thing. We saved that gate, that trunk. That trunk got saved. I don't know how, but it did. Check all this stuff out. A brand new fender. Nice, right? And we fixed a couple of hot spots on the hood there just for fun. We're gonna get this primered up. Man, me and JP, we've been working like crazy on this car tonight. I mean, we just sanded and put a little Bondo body filler glaze, and we just sanded, and we got it all looking real good. So we stuck a little primer on it, and we got all that looking good. So looks like we're just gonna let that dry, and then the next time we'll block it down and kind of see where we're at. It is another new day here. We're back here with our little 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition with remote start. And what we did in yesterday, we primered up we primered up a bunch of these spots, you know, just you know, and it kind of hurt me a little bit because we did have to put a little filler on our brand new fender, but that's part of it, and that happens, you know, that happens. We worked on this trunk, we saved this part. I mean, used, this trunk is like $500. So, you know, we really did this fella a solid by working, you know, just jumping in there and working and saving that part, because, you know, we got a little bit of time, but, you know, he's just not gonna feel that as bad as if we had to just buy, you know, we just had to buy one for 500 used. So this thing is going good. And what I think we're gonna do today is we're gonna jump on here, we're gonna take this front bumper off, we're gonna scuff it up, we're gonna put it in the booth, and we're gonna paint it. We're gonna try to paint the rear bumper. We got it ready to go. We're gonna scuff it up, sand it down, and paint it. And then we're gonna paint this trunk, see how it looks. So we're gonna pop that off there and paint it. We're gonna paint the rest of this car, I think. The fenders and the hood and the door and stuff, you know, we're gonna leave all that on. We're gonna paint it. So let's just get to it here. Hey, what are you doing with all that? What are you doing here to my car?
Well, we gotta jump this thing off. Orange wires didn't unhook the battery last night, and I guess the battery's a little bad condition.
Well, hook that sucker up. I mean, look at all that corrosion. I mean, what are you talking about?
Yeah, hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, you always go red to red, red to red, black to black, or ground.
All right, let me try this thing now.
We don't have the room in the budget for a battery.
Look at that. Fired right up. Words to live by. So just a little bit of a slight change of plan. We're only going to paint the two bumpers this evening because we're going to need to prime that rear gate, that rear trunk just a little bit one more time. You know, block it down good so it looks really, really good. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get these two bumpers painted today. So me and JP, we was talking about how much love we give this little car. And we give it a lot. We give it a lot of love. So we was thinking, we fixing to give it something to remember us by. So y'all just stay tuned and check it out. So we did make quick work of that. We did give it that little extra orange wires touch. You know, I think that looks really good. I think it's going to make that car just pop, you know. Nothing like just a little bit of orange to kind of make your day. So that's what we thought. We left it that little orange stripe just because we wanted to give it a little bit of love, because, you know, it's got to remember us down the road. So, you know, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. You know, leave a comment down below, give us a thumbs up. We're really enjoying this build so far. So, I mean, I think we're getting real close to maybe painting this thing all over and getting it put back together and getting it up there to that young man so he can have a little car to ride around with at college. So until next time, we're out.